Morning guys, so today is day 6, last day of Prague series, episode 6, travel vlogs, holiday. So welcome back to the channel guys, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you guys are great and amazing as always. So I just want to show you the final breakfast area. So this is our lounge area here from the hotel. And yeah, I'm just going to show you breakfast and how it all looks for the final time. So let's go guys, see you at breakfast. Final looks of breakfast. Let's go here. That's my tea every day, English breakfast. We've got seating area here. Some more seating area here. So all the cereals and yogurts, jams. Also more seating area here. As you saw guys, it's very long and big. So we've got final toast area, some tea, coffee machines, and that's it. And then that's the omelette bar or station. There we go, all done. So that's the final breakfast area guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So I'm just gonna have my breakfast and then see you soon. Bye. Guys, this is the shower area. There's another one back there. The main entrance from here. The reception area. So yeah, this is the massage place. We just come to have a relaxing massage and spa. Beautiful. Okay, see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Day 6, last day in Prague. Episode 6 of the Prague travel series. And just wanted to let you know that we've just had a little bit to eat. So we did the body massage in the morning, just came out to eat earlier, and now we're just, well, I'm heading back. My friend's just going to be chilling for a bit because she wants to get the last few, like half an hour of the sun. I'm heading back so I can just rest and chill before we go on the transfer and then fly off back to the UK. So yeah, I'm super excited to go back. Miss my parents, want to go see them again, and family. But yeah, as you can see behind me, guys, I just wanted to show you the last few views of Prague before we head back to the hotel. So this is pretty much it, guys. We've got a really big Marks and Spencer's here. Let me just zoom in. There you can see Marks and Spencer's. So let me show you, that's the tram. So you can get on and off that, depending on what number you need and where you're going. They've got Sephora here. Duplex is one of those clubs we went to. Rooftop duplex. Got another shop here. So yeah, this is the views of Prague, and as you can see, it's a beautiful day today, guys. So we were all the way down there, further down at the market area. But yeah, I'm just heading back to the hotel room now. So I'm going to show you the way. So basically, when we came Thursday, we ended up going long way around, which is fine. So we saw that side of the area. But yeah, we got told that it's literally around the corner from Sephora. So from here, you just continue straight, take a right, and then a right again. But when we come out the hotel, it's a left and a left, and we're literally in the city centre. So we were on one of these. We got that. I can't remember what number we got, but did we get that? Yeah, we got one, and then we got number 22 and 15. So yeah. So this A and B sign, guys, I'll show you. So here, down here is the metro, which is where we went. So we got that for the day trip. So we got that on Sunday. Yeah, which was good. When we went to the floating head. So yeah, this is the way from Sephora down, and then a right, and then a right again, and we're home. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you. This is the morning walk like we come to every day once we like got our bags and everything ready, our rucksacks. It's beautiful. So I do recommend, guys, come down, and you'll have a great time here. Just make sure you do all the activities and look around everywhere. So like we literally did like the whole of like pretty much the whole of Prague, all the like destinations and everything. So we did Prague Castle tour, 5 most important places to see. What else did we do? We did the Charles Bridge, we did Dancing Castle, or Dancing House, sorry. We saw John Lennon Wall. Yeah, a lot of things, guys. So it was good, and our hotel was quite central as well from a lot of places. So yeah, but then again, Prague isn't huge, guys, so you get a lot of like quick trams like this. Just hop on, hop off that once you've got your ticket. You can also get onto the buses. That's quick as well. You just got to know where you're going and what stops are. So if you come to Prague and stay at the Grand Diem Hotel, then just ask the receptionist, or if any hotel, guys, ask the receptionist and they'll show you on the maps what route you need to take and what bus numbers and journey. So yeah. So yep, keep walking. And then just take a right from here. And we are here. So yeah, this is the way to the hotel, guys. We're coming to Pink City. It's just another pink building, guys, but yeah, it does remind you of Pink City in India. All the buildings are really cool here because they're different colors. But yeah, it's nice. It's such a lovely holiday. 5 days, sorry, 6 days, 5 nights. Beautiful. Going back today. What else? It's pretty much it right now. It's 4 o'clock exactly, and yeah, so we just, well, I'm heading back. My friend's still in the city centre. She wanted to chill for a bit longer, and I just wanted to get back early because our transfer doesn't come to the 4:55. But yeah, I'm just going to sit at the hotel, just relax a little bit, and then yeah, wait for the transfer to come, and then we're going to head off home, back to the airport, and then fly off to UK. So I'll see you when we get to the hotel. Bye. Actually, I'll continue the vlog a little bit more because we're literally here. I thought it was a bit further down, but yeah, let me show you. So it's literally down there, guys. End of the street, take a left, and then you're pretty much there, and then straight down. Yeah, this is our hotel, Grandium Hotel. Nice hotel. Yeah, so we just had bed and breakfast, which was good. Have something heavy in the morning-ish, and then you're out all day doing activity and sightseeing. So that's our hotel. This is the entrance. I'm just going to show you the hotel from inside again. So we have like another wine or bar area here, you can chill. One on the right. Then you walk in, and then you've got your main lounge and reception area. So that's the spa lift, conference rooms. So this side, you have all of these rooms. And then this side, you have all these rooms. We were on this side, guys, because we were room 709, so we were on this side of the lifts. There's some stairs you can go through as well if you wanted to. I did that twice. I climbed the stairs, 7 floors, super nice, good exercise. So this is the conference concierge, the reception area. So this is the lounge, and then this is where we came down for breakfast every day. So yeah, this was the breakfast area. It's got more seating there. That's where the toast area is. And we've got this, some tea, coffee section. It's beautiful, guys, really big. There's more seating. Yeah. I think this is more of a city break, so I think it's worth coming for bread and breakfast, and then just heading out to all your destinations, because then you're making most of it. So yeah. Hello! Another more seating. Some more food areas. Had food areas everywhere. There's like the tea, coffee, juices. They had croissants and stuff here earlier. I think they've got a little section outside you can sit. This is another part here. I think you have to pay for this section, I'm not sure, but yeah. They had like the omelette section here, but yeah. So you'll see all that in the vlog. So super cool, super amazing. So I just thought I'd show you the breakfast area. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog so far, and if you have, make sure you like, share, comment down, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you can be notified with more vlogs. But yeah, I just want to say that I'm going to try traveling more. I got some souvenirs, so I got some postcards I'm going to put into my scrapbook. So I'm making a scrapbook, guys, of the different places I go. But yeah, this has been my favourite holiday so far with my friend, and this is the view that we saw from one of our from our hotel. I don't know if, well, our hotel's room is one of those over there, the 7th floor. Yeah. Or might have been that one, I'm not sure. But yeah, super nice, super amazing. So yeah, this is our Grand Diem hotel. Bye guys, see you later. Hi guys, just want to let you know we're in the taxi now on the way to the airport. Yep, just said our final goodbyes to the Grand Diem hotel in Prague, and now we're off to the airport. Then we're gonna go back to the UK, Leicester. So I'll take you and show you a few areas of the journey to the airport, and then we'll catch you at the airport. See you soon. Bye. This is the views from the taxi. Hi guys, so finally we're on the airport. We're just walking down to the airport, and yeah, we've day 6, episode 6. We've just finished from the Prague holiday. Super amazing, fun, exciting, great memories. That's it. We're gonna go in, check in, and then we're gonna get to our terminal, our flight area boarding gate, and then wait for the plane and head off back to UK, Leicester. But yeah, it's been an amazing trip so far. Really enjoyed it. Definitely come back here with our parents because they've not been. But yeah, let me just show you the airport terminal. So this is Terminal 1. That's the airport. It's called Prague. Airport Prague. But yeah, this is it. Bye Prague! Don't miss us too much, we'll be back soon. Right, let's go through. What terminal are we? Yep, we're at the airport. Just gonna find out which way we gotta go. Hello! So yeah, just at the airport. Wow. So we've done 5 days. No, 6 days, 5 nights, and yeah, it's been a great experience. Yeah, it's been fun, really enjoyed it. I would definitely come again and bring parents next time, but also I would come and do, 1 second. 2. Yes. So yeah, I would come and do another trip with parents. But yeah, it's been fun, super amazing. We're just gonna go to our terminal and gate area and then see where we all are. So let me show you the airport. This is the airport. Prague airport, and yeah, so we're just going to check where our flight and boarding is. Quick bathroom break and then check that where we need to be, and then we're ready to go back to the UK, Leicester. Super excited to go back and meet parents. I'll see you soon guys, bye. Hey guys, welcome to Mon Vlogs, welcome back to the channel guys. Hope you guys are great and amazing as always. So yeah, we're just at the Prague Prague airport right now, and we're just gonna go check our flight and what time it leaves and the gate number. My friend's just got a bathroom break, but yeah, once she's back we'll go do that. And yeah, we're at the airport. I'm happy we're at the airport guys, because obviously we're going back home, UK, Leicester, and miss parents, miss family, so it'd be nice to see everyone, catch up, let them know how the hotel experience was, Prague holiday was. Definitely come back with parents here and you know, show them around. So yeah, super amazing, super fun. What did we do? We did 5 nights, 6 days. Yeah, today's episode 6, day 6 of the Prague series, and yeah, just can't believe we're back on the airport again guys. Felt really good being around here. We literally did like east and west of Prague, old town, new town. We did all the attractions, places, museums, food, drink. We had breakfast included in our hotel, so yeah, it was bed and breakfast, but we just ate that, went back up to our hotel room, got our bags, like as you can see my rucksack, got that ready, and we were just out and about again. So yeah, super amazing, super fun holiday. I'm definitely doing a scrapbook, guys, because this was like one of my favorite holidays I've been on. But yeah, especially with my friends, so like one of my best friends. I've not really done many holidays with friends, so yeah, this was my second official friend holiday. But yeah, my first fun trip. My last one was the Hindu. But yeah, apart from that, this was a really fun trip, and I'm doing a scrapbook from this holiday onwards. So yeah, hope that'll be really fun for me to get on with. And then yeah, stay tuned and look out for the vlogs, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed all the days so far, and yeah. And if you did, make sure you like, share, comment down, subscribe to the channel, guys, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Make sure you comment down, guys. Also, comment down and let me know what your favorite part of the vlogs were, the series, the episodes, days, which attraction or area did you like? Charles Bridge, the Prague Castle, did you like Dancing House, Duplex, you know, all the areas you went to, which one was your favorite, guys? Let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you again on the new travel series, which is coming up very soon. So yeah, just gonna find out where we need to go, what gate number and things, and what area, and then we're just gonna wait there and yeah, just look around and chill. So I will show you once we found out everything and gone through security and all that's done, and I'll show you the other side before we start boarding again for the UK. But yeah, so we're at the airport. Let me just show you this section. Yeah, this is departures. We're just got to go straight through and then find out where we are for the plane. But other than that, just wanted to say bye for now, and I'll see you on the other side once we've done the boarding, or just before the boarding, guys. Let me see here if it says anything. London Stansted, FR 1014, 140 check-in, 7:55. Right now it's 5:40, guys. So yeah, we've still got some time. I'm just gonna go through. There's check-ins available, so I think we gotta go in, get checked in, and once all our check-ins done, then I will catch up with you on the other side. Okay, take care. Bye, guys. Hello. So we're just coming through duty free now of Prague Airport. Let me show you. So this is the duty free area of Prague Airport.
Maybe it's after this.
Ya bir de bir şey değil mi? Burada kadar sağlam.
Makeup, perfumes, more makeup, more perfumes. Airport exclusive perfumes. Nice. Boss. I'm the boss. I'm the boss. Nice. Sweeties, chocolates. Princesses for Ariana. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Guys, this is a Czech glassware. How beautiful it looks. Going down to our gate B10 back to London Stansted. This way. Oh, we've got to go down. No. Leave it on the side. Got to go down the escalators. Hi guys, so I'm going to let you know I'm on the plane now, Ryanair, back to UK, Leicester, so I will check in with you guys when we are coming off the plane and going to the coach station. Yeah, bye. Love you all, take care, bye. Hey guys, welcome back to the UK. We just landed at the airport now, Stansted Airport. Just going to go for a quick bathroom break and then we're going to head out and find our coach, and then we've got another 2-hour journey back home. Hopefully that's quick. Yeah, so that's it. We finished the Prague series, guys, travel vlogs. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you like, share, comment down below and subscribe to the channel, guys. I will see you on the next journey or the next vlog, next video, whatever comes in line. See you soon, guys. Love you, take care, peace out, bye.